Here on number 8, we're given a triple integral. And the first thing we're asked to do is sketch the solid of integration, which is given by these limits here. And so I can see the solid, the top and the bottom of the solid, are formed by z equal x squared and z equal 1, where z equal x squared is the bottom. So if I start drawing this, so z equal x squared, that would be the parabola over here, and then it stretches in the y direction, so it goes from z like that. Let me draw another one over here. So it's that parabola, cylindrical parabola, and it goes both directions, but I'm kind of looking ahead and seeing that the x and the y. So the x is going to go from 0 to 1, so across this way, while the y goes from 0 to 2. So that's just forming a rectangle. So all the y goes from 0 to 2. So it's pretty clear that that's the rectangle underneath it, but recognize that this is going from x squared to 1. So it's actually hitting up here somewhere. So my z is going from here to there. And so I get this, that's the solid that I get. It's not under this parabola, cylindrical paraboloid, it's above it. So I now want to change this order around. So there's the solid, if you want to label things. Y goes from 0 to 2, this is 0 to 1. If I want to reorder it, what I'll do is take that region in the order dy, dx, dz. So we're going to have integral, get a little lower, so I'm not running into those letters. So I'll have the integral, triple integral, f of x, y, z, and I want to do dy, then dx, then dz. So looking at my figure up here, I can see that the y is going to go just solid planes. There's no bending at all. So it's just going to go from y equals 0 to y equals 2. Next, I'm going to do x. Well, once I get rid of the y, you can see that the shadow over here is going to be this parabolic region. So this is going to be my x, and my z is going to be this parabolic region. And so my x is going to go next. It will go from 0 to this parabola, which is z equal x squared. But I need to write it as x equal to the square root of z. So I got to write it in like this. And then the z, well, it'll cover everything from 0 to 1. And so that would be the reordering of that triple integral.